Valentine's Day is coming up, so I wanted to make some cute little Valentine's decor. This transfer is called February 14th. I fuzzed my transfer to get it all ready since it's the first time I'm using it, and then I placed it in the center of our Odette chalkboard. Isn't this such a cool chalkboard? It's got a white surface instead of it being the typical black, which I love. I'm using 3 different colors. Right here is Marvelous, which is a really pretty like blush pink. And I'm just using a mini squeegee to apply the colors where I want them, trying to be super careful to keep it right on the words and not mix it all up. So I'm using the black, Marvelous, and then Candy Apple Red. This one says Valentine's Day, hugs and kisses, love, XOXO, be mine, sweetheart, adore, and February 14th. So it's super cute, and I thought it was a perfect little fit for this Odette chalkboard. Now I'm just gonna finish up with the red here. And one thing I did wanna mention, if you are working with multiple colors and you take your time, it is possible that your paste could dry before you peel it up. So you could do the paste and pull method, start at the top and work your way down. I noticed that the blush, actually it's called Marvelous, it started to dry up. So I just used a little wet paper towel and took off the word love and sweetheart, and I'm just touching that up. That's the cool part about chalk. And now it's perfect. Isn't it so cute? Thanks for watching. Bye.